Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Philips headphones with iPhone or iPad. First of all, you need to find the right headphone and use this button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on and starts blinking. As you can see right now, it is blinking, and you will also hear the pairing mode notification. Next, we have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, and then simply turn it on. Now just wait for our headphones to pop on the other devices list. Select by tapping once, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.